Hello, I'm Mark Ryan. I'm Professor of Computer Security here at University of Birmingham. And I'm interested in supervising final projects which have to do with the way security systems will work in the future. So if you have ideas about how security should work in the future from the point of view of user experiences, then I'd be interested in supervising that. So I'm going to describe just one project that I've got in mind, and it's about blockchains. So you probably have heard of blockchains because that's the technology that underlies Bitcoin. And a blockchain is essentially a public ledger that describes a list of transactions. And in the case of Bitcoin, it's the list of transactions of Bitcoins that have ever taken place in history. And it's a very important part of the way Bitcoin works. But blockchains can be used in general to make other kinds of processes transparent and accountable. And the particular one I have in mind is decryption. So imagine that you work for a company, and that company has the right to read email that you send and receive in the course of your employment. But you want that right to be moderated in some way. You don't want the employer to be able to kind of just read any emails or all of the emails without any controls in place. So one way you might do that is you might say that, the system will be configured such that all of the decryption events that take place are entered into a blockchain. And because a blockchain has this property that you can't rewrite history, then it becomes impossible for the employer to change the log of what decryptions actually took place. So there's a research paper that describes how that works in more detail, and your project would be about implementing some of those ideas. But you could implement ideas around other applications of blockchains that would be interesting as well, or you could do one of the other projects that I've got listed on my webpage. So if you're interested in any of these ideas, then drop by and see me or send me an email.